You'll see the term probiotics used everywhere now, but it actually has a really specific meaning. It means live microorganisms that can deliver a real benefit when given in significant amounts. There's lots of different reasons that you might decide to take a probiotic supplement, and one of the most common will be to help to support the balance of microorganisms in your own gut. We all have trillions of gut bacteria, and there's lots of different types too. Most of these are really beneficial, but some are potentially harmful. And one of the most important steps that you can take to protect your health is to support a healthy balance between them. First, choose a supplement that contains specific strains that have been really well researched. That is really key. And second, it's important to bear in mind that probiotics are live microorganisms and they're really vulnerable to damage by factors such as moisture, light and heat. It's important to check that your supplement can guarantee the levels of probiotics right through to the date of expiry. And if it can't, it's likely not going to be any good.